The changing landscape of the workplace environment has led to unique challenges for both employers and employees. HR departments have been placed in the crosshairs to improve employees' retention rates, company culture, explaining employer benefits, and many other aspects. Research indicates an employee's personal financial situation has a huge impact on their productivity and job satisfaction. My Financial Coach has created an experience where employees can integrate workplace benefits with their personal assets to create wealth. Our coaches are certified financial planners and can explain a variety of topics, including stock option plans, deferred compensation plans, and other complex benefits. We can remove HR liability and workload by recommending which benefits to use and answering your employees' personal financial questions. Our platform allows employees to link their accounts, to track their progress, to work towards short and long-term goals. Each individual will have access to their own CFP and high-touch technology to create a comprehensive financial plan. This program is educational in nature and is not used to sell products. This is a goal-based strategy that analyzes gaps in employees' financial lives. This results in employees understanding how to use their benefits and make progress towards their personal goals, helping to increase retention, job satisfaction, productivity, and higher benefit engagement, making sure your employees know you care.